going to make our summer squash and onion packet.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands.
Yellow squash and zucchini are abundant in the summer. Perhaps you grow it or you get it from another local source and we just don't know what to do with it. We're going to start out with 2 pieces of foil and we're going to spray it with just a little bit of cooking spray. Then you can either use 2 yellow squash or 2 zucchinis or 1 of each like we're going to use today. And we're just going to divide up the squash between the foil packets. So we'll be making 2 individual packets today. There's our yellow squash. We're going to add our zucchini. There we go. And then you want to add some onion that's been thinly sliced. This is about 1 small onion. We're going to divide that up. And on the top of that, we've divided up 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're going to put that on top. And then we're going to divide up about 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper over the top. You can use more or less, depending on what you like. And then we're going to seal up our packets. We're going to do this, and then we're going to place it onto a grill. And we want to put that over indirect heat and let that cook for, 15-20 minutes or so until our vegetables become soft. If you want to, though, you can bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Our foil packs are now ready, and you can serve this with your favorite grilled protein.
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.